Today I'm going to be reviewing Voip hand cart. This is what it looks like. I just reviewed one. I want to thank Voip for sending this to me. This is actually an improvement off of the other one, which I already thought was really good. Very small footprint right here, as you can see. So what's nice is that, as you can see here, everything's built in that you need. There's a handle in here if you want. And all you do is you push this piece down to lock it in place like that. And of course it extends like normal. It extends up, goes pretty far. All right, so you've got that, which is really nice. So that extends up if you need it. What's an improvement is on the last one, you pulled this to extend it. So they've added buttons, so it's a little bit easier. And you just push these and watch this. It goes 1 or 2. So now it has 2 levels of extension. This one actually holds up to 600 pounds. Really nice, but that's not it, everyone. That is not it. So again, the handle's really nice to put it back in. You pull up on this piece here, and then you gotta pull up just enough. There you go. And then this just locks into place. So this goes up here. So once you get it in, you pull this little bar down, and then that locks it in place. But here's what's really cool. People were talking about there was no place for the bungee cords. They fixed that. So this does come with bungee cords right here. Here they are right here. I took them out. It's a tight fit, but they at least thought of this. So in here, now you've got a place for your bungee cords. It's a nice little space to go up in there. You can push them up in there. Now your bungee cords are all with this. That was one of the complaints. It still has the 4 caster wheels that spin. So that's good. And then the 2 front ones that are stable. Really like this. This does really well on Amazon. 3,000 of these were bought in October of 2025. 4.4 stars, 715 reviews. Really impressed. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.